I took this wonderful sell trade on Crash 500 index and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. You can see how well you're moving in profit. This index sold massively to the downside, right? So what's the market analysis? What made me sell Crash 500 index at this zone? My entry basically was at this point. My entry was here, right? So at this zone, we got this first sell to the downside, which I took partial profit on before this retracement to the upside. Now price is selling more to the downside. So what made me sell this index was my market analysis. Basically, whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. This higher time frame can be the weekly time frame, it can be the daily time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. But aside from the daily time frame, I'm analyzing this index, and you can see how this index has been on a long-term downtrend. This index has been selling for a very long time now. Before it got to this point, created this reversal pattern formation, this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, gave this little buys to the upside for days. For 3, 4, 5, 6 days now, this index has been bullish. This index has been buying. So it's got to this zone. I knew that we had a formation, a sensitive market formation at this point, right? Price action is all about understanding the market movement, reading the market minds. So I was like, if market can give this massive sell to the downside, like the whole of this sell move to the downside, there's no place where we got a green candle, right? And this sell move as well, there's no place where we got a green candle. It's only at this point we got these two green candles. So this means that there's an important market movement. There's a sensitive formation, sensitive level at this point, right? So I was like, let me spot this level and watch out for market reactions on this zone for possible sells, short-term sells, basically, at least to this red line, right? So I identified this level and waited for price to approach this level on this bullish move, which market actually did. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that market approaching this level, price created a double top formation, and double top formations are reversal pattern formation. I always pay attention to these market formations, especially reversal pattern formations, for my trading decision. So we got to the double top formation at this zone, which gave me the sell confidence, the sell go ahead on this index. Seeing the first high formation here, the first high at this zone and the second high at this point, I was like, okay, the bears are coming to the market, let me wait for more confirmations to sell this index. So I spotted the neckline, right? I spotted the neckline adding to this uptrend that got broken. The neckline is at this point. Basically, this is like a key level because of same price sell and buy on this level as a support and as a resistance. So on the break of this neckline at this point, you can see how price broke solidly to the downside. This bearish engulfing candle. I was like, if price can give a test of this zone with rejections at this point, I'll be shorting this index. And you can see that on the retest of this level, price actually did what? Sold to the downside. So on the 15-minute time frame, I got my entries. I waited for a particular formation on the 5-minute time frame to short this index. Let's check to see how market formed. Price created this little head and shoulders pattern formation on the 5-minute time frame. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So I entered at this zone. This point, I took my sell trade as this zone, and market sold to the downside. I shot this sell signal at this point, and more sales is expected in the coming hours, at least to this red line. I'm expecting this index to sell more in the coming hours and days, possibly at least to this red line, which is our general TP level. And if price can break below this red line, we could see more sales at least this point, this zone. Basically, we could see more sales at least to this point on Crash 500 index. This would now look like a fake breakout. This buy move at this point basically will look like a fake breakout of this level, right? Of this resistance level, because we got price react on this level previously, historically, as a resistance. The sales was a resistance, sales before there was a break of this level. We're supposed to also get price do what? Sell from this level as a resistance, but price broke above it. So if price can break back inside of this level, this would now be a fake breakout. But still, we have a sensitive level at this zone, which we have to watch out for. Price could come give a retest of this level before the buy continuation on this index. So that's this, guys. That's how I was able to sell Crash 500 index. That was how I was able to take the sell trade on this index. More sales expected, at least to this level, right, in the coming hours and days. So hit the like button for more trade reviews, likes, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. let's do more and of Nafudi. And I've actually moved my stop loss below my entry, so I'm safe in this trade. Peace out.